How to cleanse the liver. Number 1. Drinking the right liquids. Minimize alcohol and caffeine intake. Alcohol and caffeine are two of the biggest culprits that deposit toxins in your liver and keep it from functioning properly. Cleanse your liver by reducing your intake of alcohol and caffeinated beverages. Recent research, however, indicates that decaffeinated coffee may help lower elevated liver enzyme levels. Drink lots of water. Detoxify your liver and flush toxins out by drinking at least 2 quarts of water every day. Drinking lots of water will keep you hydrated, which naturally encourages cell regeneration. It will also allow the liver to filter out more toxins and residue, letting it work faster and increasing your energy level. Add lemon to your diet. Drink lemon juice in water or tea once a day. Lemon juice stimulates the liver's bile production to help push toxins out. It also prevents the buildup of gallstones and promotes digestion and liver function in the movement of gastric juices. Drink green tea. Green tea is rich in catechins, a type of plant antioxidant that boosts liver function and helps reduce fat storage. Drink natural fruit smoothies. Fruits like strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries all enhance the health of the liver. These fruits have organic acids that lower sugar blood levels, and will help you to burn fat, decreasing your chances of fatty liver diseases. Make your own juice fast. Fasting is a surefire way to cleanse the liver. Most fasts involve eating only fruits and vegetables, or drinking only fruit and veggie juices, for a certain period of time. There are many different cleanses out there, you have to pick one that is right for your body. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel, please support us to grow. Thanks for watching.